Hello students, welcome back to the session. In this class, we'll try to learn on what factors the resistance of a given conductor depends, and we'll try to give the definition of one more property of a conductor, that is called resistivity. So the main aim of this class to understand on what factors the resistance of a given conductor depends, meaning of what resistivity of a given conductor, and also we'll discuss on what factor resistivity of a given conductor depends. So we'll give the title as resistance and resistivity. Resistance and resistivity. Resistance and resistivity of a conductor. In the last class, we discussed the meaning of resistance. You know very well the resistance is a opposition exerted by the conductor for the flow of what? Electric current. And from Ohm's law, the resistance can be defined as the ratio of potential difference across a conductor to current flowing through a conductor. So SI unit of resistance was ohm it is. Now what it is. In this session, we'll discuss the factors on which resistance of a given conductor depends. Very interestingly, the resistance of a given conductor depends on dimensions of a conductor. What is the meaning of dimensions of a conductor? The resistance of a given conductor. Say for example, this is the conductor of a certain length L. L is a length of a conductor and A is called area of cross section of a conductor. If R is a radius, then what is the area of cross section of a conductor? The area of cross section of a conductor is given by pi r square. Resistance of the conductor depends on what? Length of a given conductor. It also depends on area of cross section of a conductor. Tell me on what factors the resistance depends. Resistance of a given conductor is directly proportional to length of a conductor and inversely proportional to what? Area of cross section of a conductor. Which means conductor of maximum length is going to have more resistance. Say for example, you have a copper wire of 1 meter length and same copper wire of what? 2 meter length. If we compare the copper of 1 meter length and copper of what? 2 meter length, the length, 2 meter length copper wire is going to have the more resistance as compared to what? 1 meter length of what? Copper. So clearly, resistance of any conductor is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to area of cross section. So the area of cross section is directly related to thickness. Okay, if a conductor is more thicker, then definitely it is going to have more area of cross section. Then it is going to have what? Less resistance. If any conductor is very thin, it is going to have less area of cross section. Then definitely it is going to have more resistance. In order to have less resistance, you have to consider a wire of minimum length, maximum thickness. Minimum length ಮತ್ತೆ maximum thickness ಇರುವಂತ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ definitely that conductor is going to have less resistance. So whatever the factor may be, resistance of a given conductor is directly proportional to length of a conductor and inversely proportional to what? Area of cross section of a conductor. Further, the resistance is equals to some constant rho into L by A, where rho is a proportionality constant, and that proportionality constant we'll call it as a what? Resistivity. Proportionality constant we'll call it as a resistivity. What is rho here? Where rho stands for resistivity of a conductor. Resistivity of a conductor. Okay. So let us try to define resistivity of a conductor here. Further I will write what it is. I will take L is equals to what? 1 meter and A is equals to what? 1 square meter. Means I will consider conductor of unit length and unit area of cross section. Unit length and unit area of cross section. Then I can substitute here. If you substitute, R is equals to what? Rho. L is taken as 1 here. A is also taken as 1. Then rho is equals to R. What is the meaning of rho is equals to R? Resistivity is equals to resistance of a conductor of what? Unit length and unit area of cross section. What is resistivity of a conductor? Resistivity of a conductor is numerically equals to resistance of a conductor of unit length and unit area of cross section. Therefore, how I can define resistivity is a resistance of a conductor of unit length and unit cross sectional area. Unit length and unit cross sectional area. So this is the meaning of what? Resistivity of a material. Come to the SI unit of resistivity. The SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. The SI unit of resistivity is what? Ohm meter. One more important thing. Resistivity of a material is not depends on dimensions of a conductor. Whether you take a conductor of more length or less length, whether you take a conductor of more cross sectional area, less cross sectional area, no matter, resistivity is defined by making the factor independent of length and area of cross section. Therefore, the resistivity is such a parameter, it's not depends on dimensions of a conductor, but resistivity depends only on material of a conductor. Means a conductor is made up of which type of material? Say for example, whether it is made up of copper, or else it is made up of what? Aluminium, or else it is made up of what? Iron. So resistivity only depends on material of a conductor. Resistivity not depends on length of a conductor. Resistivity not depends on what? Area of cross section of a conductor. In the next session, I will prove this factor by considering what? By deriving one mathematical equation. How actually the resistivity is not depends on what? Length and area of cross section. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಬಾರ್ರಿ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಫ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? resistivity depends on what? Length and area of cross section. Unfortunately, resistivity is not depends on length and area of cross section of a conductor. That I will clear in the next class. Next class ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೊಂದು ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ how resistivity is not depends on length and area of cross section. Try to find the difference between resistance and resistivity here. What is the difference? Resistance depends on length of a conductor. Resistance depends on area of cross section of a conductor. But resistivity not depends on length of a conductor. It not depends on area of cross section of a conductor, but it depends on material of a conductor. ಯಾವ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇಂದ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, resistivity is also depends on temperature. That I will discuss in the next class. Resistivity is also depends on temperature. Shall I ask you the question? Mention the factors on which resistivity of a conductor depends. Mention the factors on which resistivity of a conductor depends. What should be your answer? Resistivity depends on material of a conductor. Resistivity depends on what? Temperature of a conductor. Resistivity depends on only two factors. One is material of a conductor. Second, it depends on temperature. Then mention the factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. Resistance edar mele depend ide? Resistance depends on length of a conductor. Resistance depends on area of cross section of a conductor. Resistance depends on temperature of a conductor. Resistance is also depends on material of a conductor. Resistance four factor mele depend ide. One length, second area, third temperature, fourth material. Resistivity depends only on two factors. One is material, another one is temperature. Try to find and note down the difference between what? Resistance and resistivity of a conductor. Definition clearly you can write. What is resistivity? It is a resistance of a conductor of unit length and unit cross sectional area, and its SI unit is ohm meter. Whereas resistance SI unit was ohm and resistivity SI unit is what? Ohm meter. Okay.